Another thing I had got along with this was a neck piece. That was a bit of a problem, and I will share the problem with you guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Usha Mandal, and you mostly will see travel vlogs, vlogs, reviews on my channel. So please subscribe and also hit the like button for this video. Today my video is all about an Instagram site or a website of fashion jewelry, contemporary jewelry, everstylish.com. This is a non-sponsored video. I have purchased the products recently, and so I thought of reviewing them in front of you. I just received the products today and I wanted to review it in front of you. I have unboxed it, but I will start showing you the products. The jewelry I have purchased is from everstylish.com. I will provide the link to the website in the description box below so you can check it out. As the wedding season is on, we are really into jewelry, fashion jewelry, because mostly we girls, we women like to dress ourselves according to the occasion. So I have recently found about a website. This is not a new one, it is an old one, but I purchased it recently, the everstylish.com. I have found out that they have really good jewelry, contemporary jewelry, western jewelry, and also Indian jewelry at very reasonable rate. Without further ado, let's start with the unboxing or the review. So this is the box which I received, and they also had given me an outer plastic covering with this. Quite a good one, and I was skeptical about the payment process, so I had done a COD, cash on delivery. There were no extra cash on delivery charges, as most sites do that. So that was really good, and they have also provided a bill, a full bill along with that. Now I will start showing the items, and this is the box, quite good packaging, and I have purchased quite a lot of items in this, and I will show all of them one by one. First, let me start with the earrings, and this is the earring which I'll start with because this matches with my outfit. So they have provided an outer plastic covering also, which is quite nice. So let's start seeing the earrings. This is the earring which I am talking about, and I will tell you about the price. I am not sure about the price right now. I'll just attach the screen on the side. You can see the price itself. This is quite nice, and the color totally matches my outfit here, and as you can see, they have a branding here which is quite nice. So this is the earring. Now I'll wear this and show you how this is looking on me. So that's the earring, and I think this will go better with western outfits, but it is going quite well with my outfit also because I'm wearing a kurti. So it's quite nice, and I would say the product is really good. Actually, you know, the color, the quality, I like the quality. This is within 120. I think that is quite cheap, and mostly these you will not get in local stores, which is the main thing. So I am happy with my purchase, and this is super lightweight, so I think that's really nice, and it's looking nice on me also. So this is the first earring. So let's go on to the next one. The next one is also quite similar to the last one. I think the material of these are metal, and which is quite nice. As you can see, I really like this color as well. These you can wear along with your matching outfits, and that is the reason I got them. Looks really nice. So what do you say? Do I try this out also? I'll try it out. I'll just wear it, show you how this looks on me. I think this is also within 120 rupees. I think it's 108 or 118. I'll attach a screenshot, so I'll wear it out. There we go. This is the earring. I really love it, and as I said, these are very lightweight, and I think that is very good because the heavier the earring is, it is very difficult to carry around. I think everstylish.com is doing good job with the earrings. I really love the earrings. I'll show you more, and these flower type earrings, I recommend you can buy them because these look really good. So I'll come up with the next one. Okay, so the next one is this black one, and I have got all the earrings according to my outfits, thinking about my outfits. So I have many black outfits, and this can go really well with western dresses. You can also wear it with kurtis. So this has a golden outline. The others before this, they also had golden, and so I can show you once more. So I think I'll show you, this is a dangler, the other were studs, this is the dangler. So I'll just wear this and show you how this looks on me. This, I'll tell you the price of this. This was 168. This was a bit costly, but on everstylish.com you can get jewelry below 50 rupees also. At 48-49 rupees also you will get jewelry, which is quite good. So I will wear this earring and show you how this looks on me. I think this is really gorgeous. I really love this. It's a bit of a dangler, not much, and it's very lightweight and comfortable to wear. And I think this is also going with this outfit as well. This is really nice. I really love this, and this pearl thing is looking so classy. You can carry this with western outfits as well. Obviously on everstylish.com, mostly the earrings and the pendants, everything you can carry with contemporary dresses as well. So this is also I really like. Till now all the items I have got from everstylish.com are really nice. So let's see the next one. Okay, so the next one is a bit different. I don't know if it's visible, but this is quite different and I really liked the idea of this. I haven't tried them out yet. I am trying all the earrings in front of you because I have received the package only today, and this is quite a haul, and so I thought I should share it with you. So let me try it out and see how this style looks on me, and you can also tell that in the comment section below that how you like the styles on me and which you like the best. I absolutely love this. I don't know if it's visible in the camera, but I love this style. I had this previously, but not the same one. I had with a stud with AD, American Diamond, I had that, but like this is the first, and I absolutely love the style. This is going with my outfit because it has golden, and this is really pretty. I will just attach a screenshot of this. I don't remember the price of this actually, but I think it's between 150 rupees. I'm not sure, and this is really pretty. If you want this, you can go for it. Quality is okay, not great definitely, but it's fine, and I think look wise they look really good. The style is really nice and it's very lightweight. So up to this earring, all my things had been a hit, all my products had been a hit. Now let's see the next one. So the next one is actually a bracelet. This is the bracelet, and I remember the price of this. This was of really low price. This was only of rupees 98. This is the bracelet. It's quite nice. It's like a bangle. You can again wear this with western outfits and also with Indian outfits like saris or with kurtis. So I'll show you. I'll just wear this and show you how this looks on my hand. This is very nice and sleek. It's really pretty. So this is only for rupees 98, and I think this is quite nice. This is lightweight again, and it's quite nice and stylish. You can definitely go for this as well. Another thing I had got along with this was a neck piece. That was a bit of a problem, and I will share the problem with you guys. So this is the neck piece, and I think the problem is visible. One butterfly is totally missing from the neck piece, and I have placed a return for this. So I'll just wrap it and show you how this looks. So this was also quite nice. I like the look of this, but the problem is there's one butterfly missing and this is quite visible, so I need to exchange it. So one problem with the site is that you can only exchange the product, or you need to get store credit for this. They will not give you refund of the money, which is a problem. So I think I will be getting store credit and I'll get something else maybe, or maybe I might also get the replacement for this. So I really liked this also, and I really love this. So I think my haul from everstylish.com was quite a success. You have to subscribe to my channel, and also tell me if you have ever shopped from any Instagram page or any other website, and if you are going to shop from everstylish.com. So please leave a comment below and also like this video. Thank you so much for watching the full video.